We'll guide you through how to remove hidden apps on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So you've got some apps hidden and you want to go and remove them. We're going to guide you through how this can be done, whether you want to go and remove them from being hidden apps and add them back to your phone, or if you then want to go and uninstall them, we'll cover this both. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and hide some apps to then go and show you we can go and remove them. So for example, let's say I want to use WhatsApp. I could tap and hold my finger on it. Then we'll go and press require Face ID, and you can go and press hide and require Face ID. Let me quickly complete Face ID. I need to go and press hide app as well, and there we go. So now it's hidden. So now I want to go and remove it. You may have multiple as well, it doesn't matter. What you need to do is go and swipe all the way across on your iPhone until you go and get to the app library. The more pages of apps you have, the longer this will take. So here we are in the app library. Now, what we need to do is go and view the hidden apps. In order to do that, what you need to do is go and scroll all the way down to the bottom on your iPhone. There, you're going to go and find the hidden folder. So to go and view the hidden apps, you need to go and tap on hidden like so. I need to go and unlock it with Face ID, and you can then go and see the hidden apps in here. So if you want to go and then remove it from hidden, you need to go and tap and hold your finger on it like so. And you need to go and press don't require Face ID like this. Complete Face ID, and you'll go and see it's now removed from the hidden folder. Now it's still just going to be in the app library. So you want to go and then search for WhatsApp like so, and you want to go and tap and hold your finger on it. Now, if you want to go and delete it, you can press delete app and go through the process there. But if you want to go and add it back to your home screen, press add to home screen, and it'll then go and be added back. As you can see, then you can easily go and open it up and it's no longer hidden and you can go and use it. It's that simple. If you found this useful and want to see more useful guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got lots more guides like this on the channel and lots more to come. If you've got any suggestions, please go and leave them below in the comments as well. I look forward to help you again in the future with another tech how-to.